picking up where we left off at, we have f times g of negative 2 is equal to 6 times negative 2 to the third minus a parenthesis negative 2 squared minus 26 times negative 2, and then it'll be plus 21. So we will have negative 2 to the third power, which will give us negative 8. Negative 2 to the second power will give us positive 4. And then we will have a negative 26 times a negative 2, which will give us positive 52 plus 21. 6 times negative 8 is negative 48 minus 4 plus 52 plus 21. So now we combine these terms here. Negative 48 minus 4 is negative 52. Plus 52 is 0. Plus 21 is 21. So our final answer here is f times g of negative 2 is equal to 21. Okay, now, were there any questions from those problems? And now we go to the next page. It says here the average cost C of tuition at a community college in dollars per student can be modeled by the equation C of T is equal to 55T plus 832, where T is the number of years since 1990. The total enrollment E at all community colleges and millions of students can be modeled by the equation E of T equals 0.15T plus 3.84, where T is the number of years since 1990. Find the equation of the product function C times E. So this is really C of T times E of T. That is really what they're asking for. So we could substitute in these expressions, which would be 55T plus 832, and we will multiply by 0.15T plus 3.84. Now, when we multiply this, we know we will have 55T times 0.15T plus 55T times 3.84 plus 832 times 0.15T plus 832 times 3.84. Now, after we multiply this, you can put this in your calculator. This will give us 8.25T squared plus 336T plus 3,194.88. Now this is after we multiply C times E. This is what C times E is equal to. Okay, now, what I want to do before we do B, since we have the answer to C times E, we might as well go ahead and do C right now. Because all we will have to do is replace T with 21. So, we will have C times E of 21 is equal to 8.25 times 21 squared plus 336 times 21 plus 3,194.88. Now, when you put this in your calculator, we have C times E of 21. That would end up giving us 13,889 and 13 cents, 0.13. So, we will write this down here. In 2011, community college students spent, it would be $13,889.13 million. That's how much they spent on community colleges all together. Okay, now, going back to B. It says here, perform a unit analysis of the expression C of t times E of t. Now, basically, the unit analysis of C of t and E of t basically comes down to this. This is dollars per student times million and also student. And we know million is actually dollars. So student will simplify out with student, so it'll be millions of dollars. That's basically the unit analysis of B. Now, we go down here to C. It says using a graphing calculator to determine whether the function C times E is increasing, decreasing, or neither for values of t between 0 and 50. What does your result mean in this situation? Now, if you do put this in your calculator, you can put this in your calculator like I had showed you all basically the linear regression and also the intersection point. You can put this in your calculator and also look at the table and see whether it's increasing from 0 to 50, which shouldn't be a problem. So we will put down, after you put in your calculator, to be the cost of community college increases between 1990 and 2040. I mean, really, to tell you the truth, we could just look at college costs now. We know every year. I don't think, has anyone ever heard in their lifetime where college costs went down? No, it's always either stay the same or go up, but most of the time it goes up. So, this is it for this section.